If you feel chained to your home because of an obscenely low interest rate, we need to talk. 2020 and 2021 brought us unprecedented change to our health, to our financial situations, to our lifestyles. But one silver lining for many of us was securing a 2 or 3% interest rate on a property. This was a game changer. It opened the door for affordability for so many individuals who thought they couldn't afford to buy a home. The following year saw mortgage rates rise, hitting as high as 8% at times. And didn't we all breathe a sigh of relief that we'd secured that 3% rate? Thank God we bought a house when we did. Well, the problem's this: more kids happened, pets got added to the family, we all started remote working and needed home office space. Let's face it, we've outgrown our 3% interest rate houses, but we think we'd be throwing money away if we were to buy a 6 or 8% interest rate house, right? Well, the good news is, if you're a South Jersey homeowner, you have an incredible opportunity that makes those interest rates obsolete, and that is equity. The house you bought in 2020 for $300,000 might now be worth a lot more, and you can use that equity as a nice juicy down payment on your next home to keep your monthly mortgage payments lower. To put that into perspective, let's say you wanted to buy a house with more square footage, another bathroom or a larger yard. You found the one, but it's listed at $600,000. If you were to only put down a 10% down payment, your monthly payment would likely be very high. But with all the equity in your current home, you might be able to put down a $200,000 down payment, meaning your monthly payment would be $900 a month less. It really is a game of math, and it's my job as a realtor to help you juggle the numbers as we're navigating this unusual situation. Because mortgage rates are going to do their thing, but your equity really can make them a lesser factor when it comes to what you're paying monthly, and that is what really matters. If you want us to run a calculation on your current home equity and how much it can save you if you were to buy a bigger house, call 609-500-9733 or fill out the form below.